In Kanpur, Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope led fierce attacks. Bihar answers with Kuwar Singh's call. Together, they wrote, Angrezo, Bharat Chodo. Rani Lakshmibai, sword in her hand and fire in her eyes.
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। मैंने अन्याय सहन नहीं, इसका सामना करना चुना। जब अंग्रेजों ने मेरी झांसी छीननी चाही, मैंने चुप्पी नहीं, तलवार उठाई। मेरी लड़ाई सत्ता के लिए नहीं थी, और स्वाभिमान और स्वतंत्रता के लिए। अगर मुझे मरना भी पड़े, तो गर्व से मरूंगी। अपनी मातृभूमि की रक्षा करते हुए। मेरी तलवार सिर्फ मेरी नहीं, वह हर उस नारी की आवाज थी जो अपने हक के लिए खड़ी होती है।
On 28th of December 1885, 72 Indians from across the country gathered in Bombay. Different languages, different regions, but one goal, to give India a voice. Under the banyan tree at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, the Indian National Congress was born. In the beginning, they were moderate, politely requesting reforms, but the foundation was laid. For the first time, India had its own organized political platform.
అక్కడ ఒక్కడి గట్టి పడితే మన దేశం మన చేతుల్లో ఉంటుంది. ఒక్క సీతారామరాజు చనిపోతే లక్షలాది సీతారామరాజు ఇస్తారు.
We marched for salt, but it wasn't just salt. It was Swaraj by the wind. Our silence was powerful. Our peace louder than any violence. Remember, Swatantrata हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है, and we shall claim it, not with hatred, but with courage, truth, and non-violence.
इंडिया was finally free. दिल्ली की रातों की खिड़कियों से लेकर बंगाल की तंगी गलियों तक, गंगा के किनारे से लेकर उत्तर पश्चिम के पहाड़ों तक, हर कोना, हर जरा एक पल के लिए थम गया। फिर झूम उठा आजादी के गीत में, गिव मी ब्लड, आई शैल गिव यू फ्रीडम।
Good morning. Happy Independence Day. And India celebrating last 1 week Independence Day programs. And part of that, all our DPS schools, Pallavi schools also celebrating. And this year, Independence Day is especially all over India, all the citizens, students, everyone celebrating. This year special is the Operation Sindoor successfully exhibited and shown our strength to the world, defense, how we are capable and self-reliant in defense area. And also we are fastest growing economy in the world, and we are also facing some tariff issues. And India yesterday only Economical Forum upgraded India's rating, and India is growing very fast. In 2047 we want to be Vikshit Bharat. In the direction, last 11 years so many developmental activities happened, and it will be for us, we have to take the advantage. And we are also implementing the NAP 2020 policy. With the NAP 2020, now we have the best education policy in India, and all the teachers and students and management has to be upgraded to the new academic policy. and is the best across the world, and we have to implement, and all the teachers, we have to work to implement effectively the new education policy and prepare our students, best citizens of this country, to develop to become the world number one. And we are already fourth economy in the world, and we are reaching number 3, America, China, next India. And I request all the teachers to prepare the students up to the mark, and they should be best citizens for the country. We should make them. And after our lot of great leaders, freedom fighters who gave us the independence, and after 600 years of Mughals ruling the country, and 200 years all our British people ruled our country. Then 29th year, this is the Independence Day, we are celebrating, and India is becoming the superpower. In that part, all the students, teachers, everybody has to work towards the growth of our country, and future is there for all our students. We should make the best students for the country. And again, our principal, the vice principals, teachers working very hard to make them good citizens, and I wish all of them to continue to do that. And again, I wish the 79th Happy Independence Day. Thank you.